Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to present about our project is Minidustpan. Our group member is Umi Nur Hafika binti Malik, Nur Iza binti Zulkifli, Nur Izzatu binti Sukari, and me, Nur Azrani binti Abdul Rahman. Acknowledgement. Grateful to the divine with the overflow of praise and the blessing of time. The life of energy bestowed on us can also enable us to complete this task successfully. First of all, we would like to dedicate this appreciation speech to our beloved lecturer, Prof. Madia Nordin Asimi, Muhammad Noor, and Encik Muhammad Rizal Abdul Ghani for their guidance, open the space for us to complete this task successfully. We would also like to thank our parents for giving us the facilitator to complete this coursework. They have given us all the facilities and unlimited moral support until we have complete this task. This appreciation is also addressed to the friends who have given many reminders of everything we have neglected. They help us by answering every question we ask them. Finally, we would like to thank those directly or indirectly involved in the making of this coursework. Thank you. Course introductions. This course introduces students to the process of computer-aided manufacturing camp and computer numerical control (CNC) machining, including the theory and the basic of coding language, structure and the use of CAD/CAM system by generating and verifying toolpath. Students will use post processes to convert computer drawing into machining tool operation. Besides that, students will learn how to create various machining code and transfer to CNC machine by using CAD/CAM software. At the end of this course, students should be able to construct G-code program of the workpiece on the standard numerical control machining tool with CNC control, revise basic and advanced CNC program from import CAD data using CAM system, prepare and send part programmers to CNC machine to machine their part. So I will pass to other presenter, which is Nur Izzah, which is Nur Izzatun. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Izzatu and I'm going to continue the presentation on Project From. A dustpan is a tiny variant known as the half brush and shovel. The dustpan is typically used with a broad or long brush. It could look like a flat hook in the small dustpan, mostly in manual for home use, manufacturing and trade firms. Use a hinge variety at the end of the stick to allow the user to stand up when using it. Core is the male part of forms the internal shape of the molding. Meanwhile, cavity is the female part that forms an external shape of the molding. The mold core and cavity are the shape sections in either half of the mold tool which gives the plastic product its final shape. The hot molten material is injected into the core and cavity and then sets hard into shapes. The design of core and cavity is essential in the correct formation of the product. So in this project, we have three main objectives to overcome at the end of the project. Firstly, to make the design of the project in Fusion 360. Select a suitable tool for the process, get the G-code of that design, manufacture the project using that G-code in Vericut. So next I'm going to explain a little bit more about distribution of tasks. So firstly, design project part was done by Umi Nur Khalifah. Second, tool was produced by Nur Azirani. Third, Vericut was done by Nurul Isa and slide presentation was done by me. But all the brainstorming and discussion for any kind of problem or something that we don't know were all done by all members. So that's all from me. I'm going to leave the presentation. other members. Mungkin Khalida binti Malik.
Thank you to know Iwatul. I will continue this presentation with project finding in Fusion 360. This is our this is our view for model and mode. This is our finishing model, which is home view, back view, and front view. This is our dimension for our finishing model, and this is our uh, tool, placement and alignment. Placement for um, placement uh, in cavity using 20 diameter, and flat element for flat element using for pocket and counter using 10 diameter in cavity mode. This is flat element 10 diameter for counter in ball mode, and also 20 diameter for pocket in ball mode. This is our video for lower mode. This is a video simulation for upper mode. That's all for me. I pass to my partner Nurul Izzah.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuiza. I would like to present about project findings very good. This is our design follower mode before, and this is after. This is our project 3 follower mode. This is our 2 follower mode. For first tool we use diameter 20, and for the second tool we use 10 diameter. This is video follower mode. And this is design for upper mode. This is before and this is after. This is project 3 for upper mode. This is the tool that we use for upper mode. The first tool we use 10 diameter. Second tool we use 20 diameter. This is video simulation for upper mode. So I will pass the presentation to Izatul.
As for the conclusion, we can say that at the end of the project, we gained some knowledge and successfully understood how to mold the shape of a product by using the design of core and cavity to achieve the correct formation of the product. This project also, to some extent, helped to improve our skills in using Fusion 360 and Verified software. So that's all from us. Thank you for spending some time listening to our presentation. That's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.